Hi everyone, this is a series for absolute beginners who are getting started in crypto and want to know where to begin. So in the first video, we showed people how to create their first account, and now we're going to show people how to buy their first Bitcoin, a step-by-step guide. If you're a complete beginner, then Coinbase is a great place to start. Other platforms that you might try out, Kraken, Gemini, Cash App has also been recommended by a lot of people on crypto Twitter. If you want to learn how to set up an account on any of those platforms, please check out some of my other videos. But now that you have an account, let's buy some Bitcoin. Step 1. Log into your account and follow the two-step verification prompts. It will open up onto your account dashboard. Step 2. Click the button at the top that says Buy, Sell. If you haven't connected your bank account already, it will ask you to add a payment method. Go ahead and connect your account or debit card. If you have already added your payment method, select the tab that says Buy. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you would like to purchase. Step 4. Make sure your preferred payment method is selected. Step 5. Type in how much money you would like to spend. For example, if you want to spend $20 on Bitcoin, in the box that says USD, type 20. Coinbase has an option of selecting Repeat this buy. For now, you can just do a one-time purchase. We'll go over that in another video. Here's something that you need to be aware of. When you're filling in the amount of Bitcoin that you wish to purchase, make sure you have the right currency. I know people who have meant to purchase $20 worth of Bitcoin and accidentally written in 20 Bitcoin. This is a terrible mistake that you do not want to make because your bank account will get a huge shock if you accidentally write 20 Bitcoins. Step 6. Click Buy Bitcoin at the bottom of the screen and confirm the dollar amount that you'll be spending. It will then ask you one more time to confirm the amount, and once you do, you're now the proud owner of some Bitcoin. You will also notice that when you send Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin for the first time, you're charged a transaction fee. This is money that's paid to the miners. On Coinbase, they automatically choose the transaction fee for you. If you're using another platform, you might be able to set the transaction fee yourself. How do you know what to choose, what amount to set? Generally, the higher the transaction fee, the sooner the transaction will be recorded and confirmed. If you're making a purchase and you want the transaction to go through as soon as possible, you might be better off paying a higher fee, which will get your transaction in the next block. But if you're just sending money to a friend and you're not in a huge hurry for that transaction to be confirmed, you can feel fine setting that transaction fee at a lower price. To find the current market rate for Bitcoin transaction fees, a website like bitcoinfees.info will help you. Every day they provide the average fees that were paid and how long it took transactions to be recorded to give you an idea of costs. You can use this chart to help choose your transaction fee according to your time preference. Another thing to keep in mind is that on Coinbase, if you're sending money from one Coinbase account to another, whether it's your own account or someone else who has a Coinbase account, you won't be charged any transaction fees. You'll only be charged a fee if you send to an account outside of Coinbase. This is because just like a regular bank who stores your money for you, Coinbase is actually storing your Bitcoin for you. You're not actually storing that yourself. So if you're making transactions to other accounts within Coinbase, they're only really adjusting their internal ledgers, meaning that they don't have to pay transaction fees to miners to adjust the actual blockchain ledger. It's only when Bitcoin leaves the Coinbase system that the transaction is written to the Bitcoin ledger and transaction fees are paid to the miners who do this. Now that you've purchased your first Bitcoin, in the next video, we'll give you some really important security tips that you should keep in mind and also give you some alternative ways to store your cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like my channel, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe. I also have a Patreon account and wanted to give a special shout out to all the awesome people there. And a huge thank you to the sponsors of the show for making these videos possible. Thanks so much for watching.
She used to just party, go all the way.